Hello everyone, welcome to Heavy Crypto. My name is Arthur. In this video I'm going to show you a tool that you can use to spot triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities. So if you're already subscribed to this channel, then you'd know that triangular crypto arbitrage, it requires a trader to swap 3 cryptos in one exchange. Alright, so keep it in mind that this is not a normal crypto arbitrage whereby you go to an exchange and buy an asset at lower price and then sell it to another exchange at higher price. This is called a triangular crypto arbitrage. All right, so let me show you how it is right here. All right, and so let's say this is me on Binance right here. First thing first, I would take USDT and then buy Ethereum right here and sell this Ethereum to BTC. all right, and after sell Ethereum to BTC, I'll take this BTC, sell it back to USDT, and this is how exactly I'm gonna make a profit. So make sure you watch the whole video to the very end, because I'm gonna show you a tool that's gonna calculate all this stuff. You don't need to go to Binance and start looking for triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities. So we're gonna go through a tool that's gonna help us to do all this hard work and all that good stuff. And the most important thing is that this tool is going to allow us to select crypto exchanges that we want to take advantage of. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So right here, this is a tool that helped me to scan triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities. So first thing first, I would have to select an exchange that I want to take advantage of. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and click right here. So you can see that right here I have a bunch of crypto exchanges. So let's say that I want to take advantage of Binance right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn on Binance right here. Okay, and what else? Bybit as well, and the link to Bybit is going to be in the description as well. You can go ahead and claim more than 4,000 USD bonus right here if you sign up using my link in the description below. So we have turned on Binance and Bybit right here. All right, so right here all I have to do is to click this button right here, done like this. So you can see that right now I have Binance and Bybit right here. Okay, these are exchanges that I've selected to take advantage of, but then you see this tool has ads, so you just need to be patient and click this button right here. Okay, you can install this tool in your phone, and I'm gonna show you a name of this tool inside this video, so make sure you watch the whole video to the very end so that you won't miss out anything. All right, so in this case I've selected Binance and Bybit right here. So I want to take advantage of Binance right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and click Binance like this. So right here you can see that I have a bunch of options right here. It says internal multiple. Oh, these eyes are annoying me right now. I'm getting frustrated. All right, so it says get a list of available cryptocurrencies pair within a single exchange, meaning that we're gonna take advantage of crypto triangular arbitrage within Binance only. All right, and if I go ahead and click right here where it says internal single, get your favorite cryptocurrency pair within a single exchange, meaning that I'm only gonna take advantage of one pair. All right, and you can see that we have a bunch of all other options right here, like external multiple, get list of available cryptocurrency pairs from main exchanges, meaning that I can take advantage of Binance, Bybit, and all other crypto exchanges as well. So in this case, remember that I've only selected Binance and Bybit. So if I go ahead and select this option right here, I'm only going to take advantage of these 2 crypto exchanges. All right, and right here we have internal single, get your favorite cryptocurrency pair from many exchanges. All right, so this is gonna give me a bunch of all other crypto exchanges, but in this case I only want to use Binance crypto exchange. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click internal multiple right here. Okay, this is Binance Binance markets right here, and it has listed all the pairs right here. Okay, so this side is buy and this side is sell. And what does this mean is that it says take USDT right here and buy COS. All right, COS is a cryptocurrency. All right, so you take USDT and buy COS and then sell this COS to BTC, and after that sell this BTC back to USDT, and you're gonna make a profit of 3%. all right, same thing applies right here. You take USDT and buy AMP and sell this AMP to BTC, and you're gonna make a profit of 1.6%. okay, so you can actually reload right here, and it's gonna refresh this and give you best prices. And if I go ahead and turn right here, it's gonna show me double pairs right here, just like right here it says is the same thing. All right, say buy course using USDT and then sell this course or COS to BTC and take this BTC, sell it back to USDT, and this is how you're gonna make profit of 3%. all right, so if you want to turn right here to 2, it's just gonna show you in a simple format, but if you want to turn right here into 3, it's gonna show you the whole process. Okay, so right here it says buy RND, which is render token. Buy this using USDT and then sell this render to BTC, and after you sell this render to BTC, take that BTC, sell it back to USDT, and you're gonna make a profit of 1%. So guys, it's not only about Binance. Remember that we can take advantage of many crypto exchanges, and in this case I was just checking triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities that are available on Binance. All right, so let's go ahead and check on Bybit. Let's see if we can find any triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities on Bybit. So make sure you subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm. You're really helping the channel if you enjoy these videos, and it motivates me to create more videos like this as well. All right, so let's check out Bybit right here, and you can see that on the Bybit we don't really have crypto arbitrage opportunities right here, and there's no profits. You can see that it is actually not 9%, and we don't have opportunities on the Bybit, guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and add more exchanges right here. Maybe like we can find good triangular crypto arbitrage. All right, so let's add Bitget. Bitget is good exchange, and the link to Bitget as well is going to be in the description. Make sure you sign up to Bitget using my link, and you're going to get a bonus up to $4,000. all right, let's add Bittrex. It's good exchange, and Coinbase as well, but like Coinbase is too expensive and all that. Get.io is also good exchange. KuCoin, good exchange. Let's add these ones, and let's go back, and let's get back. And guys, if you really want to take crypto to another level, then I suggest that you should go to Heavy Crypto Academy right here. Okay, or go to my Telegram group and go to pinned messages right here and click this link, or click the link in the description below, and it's gonna take you straight to Heavy Crypto Academy. All right, so right here we're gonna find almost everything about crypto. I revealed almost all my secrets of how I exactly made more than 13 BTC on this space. All right, so right here you can learn almost pretty much everything. If you want to know about crypto triangular arbitrage, if you want to know about trading derivatives, if you want to know more about P2P trading, make sure you go check out Heavy Crypto Academy. And if you want to get Heavy Crypto Indicator, you can go ahead and click right here. And if you want to join my Telegram group, can go ahead and click right here, and this is gonna take you to my YouTube channel. And if you want to book me one-on-one, you can go ahead and click this button right here, and you can pay with crypto and PayPal. All right, and right now I want to tell you that we now support Matic network, so you don't need to use Ethereum network anymore. You can use Matic network, and you're gonna pay less, almost zero transaction fee. So let's go ahead to our main topic right here. So we have added all these crypto exchanges. We have added Bittrex, Bitget, Get.io, KuCoin. Let's go ahead and check Get.io. I know most of you know this app, but if you don't know it, this app has been updated, so it works perfectly. I've been using it, and right now it works perfect. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out Bit. Oh, this is annoying me right now, guys. So right now you can see that we are on Get.io, and you can see that we have at least 19% profits on Get.io. This is crazy. Right here it says that take USDT and buy borrowing and then sell this borrowing to ETH, and after that take that ETH, sell it back to USDT, and you're gonna make a profit of 19%. all right, so you can see that we have bunch of all other coins right here. We have borrowing, we have ONXE. Now we have ONX, and if you take this triangular arbitrage, you're gonna make profit of 18%. We have this one as well, the same as this one, but other way around. We have GDT, and you can go ahead and check all these pairs, guys, and I'll leave the link to this tool in the description below as well. All right, so this is it about Get.io. I just wanted to show you that there's also triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities on Get.io as well. You can also check out KuCoin. Okay, Hey, I hope this time. Okay, I'm able to connect to your network. Oh, come on. All right, so I think I have network problems right here, but like you can also check out KuCoin. So guys, so if I really want to know how exactly I made more than 4 BTC trading cryptocurrencies as well, make sure you go ahead to my channel and watch this video right here. This is my secret. I showed you guys how exactly I made more than 11 BTC right here. So you go ahead and watch this video. It's called "This Eye Opener Turned Me into an Advanced Crypto Trader." Alright, so I reviewed all my secret in this video, and I'll leave the link to this video in the description as well. So don't forget to join my Telegram group as well. The link is going to be in the description as well. You're going to meet a lot of advanced crypto traders on my Telegram group as well, and the link to Heavy Crypto Academy as well is going to be in the description as well. And that's where you can be able to learn almost pretty much everything about trading cryptocurrencies, triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities, normal crypto arbitrage opportunities, trading robots, and all that good stuff. All right, so the name of this tool is called Arbex. All right, so I'll leave the link to this tool in the description as well. So just go ahead and click the link, and it's gonna take you to this tool as well. You can use this tool in your mobile device and on computer as well. All right, so don't forget to watch this video. I'll leave the link in the description as well, and you can go ahead and click right there. Therefore, I'll send the video. Love and peace, my friends.